Hey YouTube fam, it's your girl Alicia and I'm back with another DIY video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this really cute Cheetos themed graduation chip bags. Just look at the Cheetos. Look, he's wearing a graduation cap, guys. I just feel like these came out so cute. I'm gonna also try to make like a Takis and like a Ruffles and just a couple of other chip designs as well that you guys can print and use these for your graduation parties. But I just love the way these came out. They came out super duper cute. So I do have a couple of colors on the website right now. If you guys want to make these but I don't have the color that you want, definitely reach out to me on the website and let me know, hey, I want the Cheetos graduation, but I want it in whatever color you want it in, and I'll go ahead and add that to the website within about 24 to 48 hours. So you know what, I'm not going to ramble on too much. Let's just go ahead and jump right into this DIY. So to get the template, you head over to my website, Creative Crafting LLC, and go down to my graduation 2023 section. That's where you'll find all of my graduation designs for this graduation season. So go ahead and click that, and then go down to where the Cheetos chip bag templates are, and just go ahead and get the one that you want. In this video, as you can see, I'm gonna go ahead and make the I'm gonna do the pink one, I'm gonna do the orange, and I'm gonna do the light blue, okay? But I have a whole bunch of different designs and different graduation templates on the website right now. I'm gonna be adding more. I'm trying to add about 20 to 30 a day if I can. It does take some time, but I am trying to add some more. But like I said, it is a specific color that you guys want that I don't have. Just go ahead and reach out to the Let's Chat section with me on the website and let me know. So all of my images are instant download. So once you check out, a download box will pop up, and then you go ahead and click that, and you can go ahead and save your images. Also, please remember to put your email address in correctly when you check out. Even if you misspell it, it won't send you the link to your email if it's not correct. Of course, I can send it to you if you reach out to me on the site, but to not have to go through all of that when you're checking out, definitely put your email address in correctly on the checkout page, because sometimes it does not have the download now box on the checkout. It does on this one right here. As you can see, it says download, and you'll go ahead and click that. But just in case that does not pop up, it'll go to your email address as well. So definitely put your email address in correctly when you check out. Once you click download, the image will pop up, and you can just go ahead and save it. And this is how our template look. So I went ahead and printed these on glossy photo paper. I'll leave the link down below for the kind that I use, but I went ahead and printed these out on my laser printer on glossy photo paper, okay? And this is how they print it out. Make sure that your printer is set to landscape and not portrait when you are printing out these chip bags, okay? So yeah, so I went ahead and printed these out. The only error that I made was I forgot to set my printer to full page, because they have an option if you wanted to print it fit to page or full page, and I left it on fit to page on accident. That's like the default setting, so I forgot to change it to full page. So because of that, I do have a little bit of white trim around the chip bag, around the template, but that's okay, because of course we can cut that off. But definitely print this in full page and print it landscape, okay, just to avoid any little errors when you're printing. But yeah, these are how nice they came out. Here's the orange one, and then here's the blue. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to assemble maybe one of them, probably two of them on video, but these are super easy to assemble. And the one thing I love about these is that you don't have to edit anything. You don't have to add anything. It's already pre-designed. I've had some people reach out to me via email asking me if I could put up some party favors that's already pre-designed, where they don't have to add like a picture or a name or anything. So I went ahead and said, you know what, let me go ahead and do the Cheetos bags pre-designed. All you have to do is purchase it, print it, and assemble, and that's it. So we're going to go ahead and start assembling them. Make sure that you're using the 1 ounce size chips in these chip bags, okay? So basically, when you go to like your Walmart or your Sam's Club, the variety chip bag boxes, those are the ones that have the 1 ounce bags in them. And then to put these together, we're going to go ahead and we're going to fold down on those fold lines that I just pointed out to you guys. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut off this a little bit extra piece of white trim that I printed out by accident on one side of the chip bags. So by where that graduate is, I had a little bit of white trim, so I just went ahead and just cut that off, okay? And then we're going to go ahead and fold. If you have white trim on the other side where it says glue area, you can just go ahead and leave that, because that's not going to show, because that's the glue area of our chip bag. So we're going to go ahead and fold down all on those fold lines. And I'll always fold the glue area side first, okay? It makes it a lot easier. Just go ahead and fold the glue area side down first, and we're going to go ahead and fold the other side down on top of that. And to put these together, all you need is a pair of scissors and a glue gun or some double-sided tape. I use a glue gun because it's easier for me. It just works, and it's, you know, I've always used a glue gun, but if you want to use double-sided tape, you can use that as well. But I'm going to go ahead and grab my glue gun, and then I'm going to go ahead and start by gluing the bottom part of where the glue area tab is, and then I'm going to go ahead and put that tab down, and then I'm going to go ahead and glue across the glue area side, and then over across the bottom of the other side. And when you're doing this, you make sure you do it quickly, because you know that glue dries really fast. Okay, so when you're using a glue gun, you do have to do this fast. That's probably the only difference between using a glue gun and using double-sided tape. With a glue gun, you do have to work pretty fast. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and glue down that other side, and go ahead and just dab down on it for like a few seconds so that it can dry. But this dries super duper fast, so you don't have to press down but maybe about 5 seconds, and that's it. Now that we have put our chip back together, we're basically done. All we have to do is stuff it. This is how it looks, the front and the back, and I'm going to open it, and I'm going to go ahead and tuck our 1-ounce chip bag inside of our new chip bag. Okay, and then after doing that, I'm just going to go ahead and pinch each side of our chip bag and kind of fold it forward. This helps when you're about to close it, when you're about to put that glue on the inside. But guys, that's how super simple it is. That's all that there is to it. No editing. All you had to do was print it, get your chip bags and assemble it, and then that's it. Super easy. So if you don't see, like I said, if you don't see the kind of color that you want for your party or your school theme, just go ahead and reach out to me on the website. Let me know, and I'll go ahead and add those colors within about 24 to 48 hours after receiving your request. But yeah, that's all. So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my zigzag scissor. Now you can use a straight scissor as well, but I'm just going to go ahead and take my zigzag scissor and just cut the bottom edge of these bags. Okay, just to give it a little bit of extra, you know, just a little bit of extra custom look, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and make a zigzag cut in the bottom of the bag and the top of the bag, and then that's it. We are completely finished. I think I'm going to go ahead and do one more on camera, but I'm going to speed it up, and then I'll come back and show you guys how all three of them look once they're assembled. But yeah, this is it, guys. Super easy, super simple. Definitely check out the links down below for the website, and I'll definitely be adding more designs, okay? Something different. You must be made for me. Places is nothing. Never know. I get anything difficult. Hey guys, I'm back. So now that I finished putting them together, this is how they look. These are so cute, y'all. These are really cute. And my favorite one, of course, is the one in the front, is the pink. That's why it's in the front. I absolutely love how they turned out. These are nice. If you're doing a graduation party, this would definitely give an extra wow to your dessert table. These are really cute, okay? So just go ahead, definitely give these a shot if you're having a party. Check out the website. I'll be adding more designs and different types of printable favors that you guys don't have to edit to make things easier for you guys. So definitely check it out. And if you made it to the ending of this video, thank you guys so much. If you like it, definitely give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And definitely check back the website to see some more designs. And like always, guys, I appreciate the support. God bless. Something different.